I am projects coordinator at Pacific Resort Rarotonga, and I have been here off and on for about 12 years. My first position at PRR was in the food and beverage department when I was 16 years old. Since then I have done a stint in accounts, beach hut, front desk, and now my current position. The best aspect of my current role would probably be getting to work with all of the HODs, the heads of departments for the whole resort. It's really inspiring just to see how many different personalities can work together to make the place run so well. What inspires me to come to work? It's actually interesting because I've worked in a lot of different places over the years and I always come back to Pacific Resort. The staff culture here is just amazing. The people are great to work with, and again, I just love working with the leadership team here. It's really cool. I think it would be different to people in different ways. For me, it's seeing the guest questionnaires, reading the TripAdvisor reviews, knowing that people are going back to their homes and just raving about us. I think that's guest satisfaction.